Hey guys, Irene here. Today I'm gonna be actually shooting my engagement pictures. I've been engaged for a while now. We just got to a beautiful Rotary Park and just waiting for my photographer. Both me and Brad, my fiance, have never really modeled together, especially for like a professional photographer, so it's gonna be fun. Our photographer is Andras and he's definitely one of my favorites. He's an amazing photographer. A lot of you guys asked who is going to be taking my wedding pictures. Well, it's going to be Andras as well, and I'm super happy about it. His wedding work is absolutely stunning, so I highly recommend you guys go ahead and check him out on Facebook, Instagram, or his website.
A million miles later, I'm wondering why you're my solid ground and you show me a better kind of love.
Our next look was this little cute picnic setup. We actually couldn't open our sparkling apple juice, so instead we opted for putting water in our glasses. Drinking vodka on our picnic. So, you know, sometimes you just gotta improvise.
Falling for lies, running from the truth. Oh, how you lifted me when I fell for you. 1,000 lifetimes could never be enough. Love of money, lust and greed, fame and fortune, well, you don't own me. All things fall in line when you show me a better kind.
For our next location, we went downtown and we changed into a little bit more of a formal outfit.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me,
Alright, so we are finished with our photo shoot. Thank you so much, Andras, for doing our pictures. You're an amazing photographer. You showed us some pictures just like on the camera screen and they look so good. This was a little bit, it was different, like being on the other side. How did you like it? Never like doing...
first time.
Never doing posing.
You guys
I've never had to think about posing.
She's very picky, so I have to be careful with some of the shots here. But she let it go, and you know that I think for us photographers, that's probably the hardest thing to do is like be on the other side of the camera and letting it go. But she did an amazing job. And Brad, you were like fantastic.
Yeah, you were just I knew you were gonna be amazing because you're really good at directing people. So you know, for us being just like first time doing this, it wasn't that hard because you really guided us through it.
Yeah, I like being told what to do.
Right, yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and check out Andras. I will leave his links in the description down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Take care, bye!